Making friends in a new city is easier than you think. Welcome to your new adventure. If you're wondering how to make friends fast, we've got you covered. First, join local clubs or groups, whether it's a book club, a hiking group, or a gaming meetup. Finding people who share your interests is a great start. Next, get involved in community events. Festivals, fairs, and workshops are perfect for mingling. Volunteering is another fantastic way to meet people. Helping out at local charities or community projects connects you with like-minded folks. Don't forget social platforms and apps like Meetup.com and Bumble BFF. They're designed to help you find friends in your area. Regular visits to local cafes and social spaces can also make a big difference. Become a familiar face and start building connections. Finally, be open and approachable. Smile, make eye contact, and show genuine interest in others. Good luck and enjoy your new city.